This is my submission for project 3, comp sci 230. First things first, I can start by using my make file. As we can see, I've already done some testing, so it is already up to date, but just to prove that I have a make file. If I look at the files I have all these obviously .txt files. I have my make file, my WordFreak.c.h, and my runnable WordFreak program. So first things first, if I start with just /WordFreak, and I type in, for example, I'm just going to write simple sentence testing. It says reading from standard input. Now, if I show my files again, we see we have a new txt file. We have output.txt. So if I use cat output, the file, and it says here, you can see reading from standard input, and then in alphabetical order, it's counted all the words I put in. So now let's try that with a more advanced text file. So /WordFreak, and we're going to give it a file that we already have. So we're going to give it homes.txt. As you can see, it says file number 1, homes.txt, and we're just waiting for it to finish. Now, again, if we just read our output file, it has everything in alphabetical order, which is great. I'm going to do one more, so /WordFreak, just to prove that it can take multiple files at a time. So I'm going to give it Aladdin.txt and then Iliad.txt. As you can see, it says file number 1, so it will list multiple files that it is processing, and then when it's done, again, you can just read our output file. And there you go. I think that's everything. If there's any other unanswered questions or anything like that, playing around with the code, hopefully you can test out any other requirements that you might be curious about. Thank you so much for your time, and that is all.